If you suspect that your Venmo account has been compromised due to suspicious activity, it's important to act quickly to regain access and secure your account. Follow these steps to recover your Venmo account. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. If you cannot access your account, go to the Venmo website on a browser. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the login screen, click on Forgot Password. This will initiate the process to reset your password and regain access to your account. Step 3. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be able to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you have not used before and confirm. Step 5. Review account activity. After regaining access, check your recent transactions and account settings for any unauthorized activity. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to Venmo support immediately. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication for added security in the future. Taking these steps will help you regain control of your account and protect your financial information.